take the overhead wiring through the tunnels needed some thought. It didn't have to be realistic because it would never be seen, but it did have to be smooth to avoid snagging the pantographs and causing problems where trains couldn't be reached. And I came up with a solution of sticking with powerful glue some 00 gauge Code 100 rail to the underside of the tunnel roofs, like this, so that the pantograph could move smoothly along that rail while the train was in the tunnel. It was crucial that at either end the overhead line equipment wire was soldered carefully to the rail to give a smooth join, and where the baseboard join occurred, where the track would have to be split, the two rails were curved slightly upwards so the pantograph would move smoothly from the rail under one tunnel to the rail under the other, and this seemed to work quite well. It's a flat roof tunnel and the side of the tunnel will be accessible. There'll be a removable panel so that I can get inside to deal with any derailments or other problems that might occur. It all seems to work reasonably well, though it is slightly noisy as the train goes under the tunnel, which acts as a bit of a sound box.